A Myanmar court has reportedly stated issuing of verdicts in the latest of a series of cases against the country's ousted leader, 76-year-old Aung San Suu Kyi. The postponed verdict from the court in the capital Naypyidaw yesterday is for the second among multiple cases brought against a Nobel laureate since the army seized power on February 1st, ousting her elected government and arresting 12 members of the National League for Democracy party. No reason was given for the postponement, according to a legal official who insisted on anonymity for fear of being punished by the authorities who have restricted the release of information about Suu Kyi's trials. She is accused of importing and possessing walkie-talkies without following official procedures. The radios that are the focus of the case were seized from the entrance gate of a residence and barracks of her bodyguards during a search on February 1st, the day she was arrested. The charge under the Export-Import law of having improperly imported the walkie-talkies was the first filed case against her and served as the initial justification for her continued detention. The charge of illegally possessing the radios were filed the following month. Suu Kyi's lawyers argued that the radios were not in her personal possession and were legitimately used to help provide for security, but the court declined to dismiss the charges against her. On December 7, Suu Kyi was convicted on 2 other charges, incitement and breaching COVID-19 restrictions, for which she was sentenced to a total of 4 years imprisonment. The head of the military-installed government, Senior General Min Aung reduced the sentence by half after it was issued by giving her a partial pardon. Suu Kyi's supporters and the rights groups say the cases against her have been contrived by the military to discredit her and end her political career while justifying its takeover. If found guilty of all the charges she faces, Suu Kyi could be sentenced to more than 100 years in prison.